Hi everyone. Thank you for joining our channel. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to insert text in a PDF document and subsequently upload it to Google Drive by utilizing the PDF.co platform through Zapier. For more detailed instructions, kindly check the link provided in the description box below. Do visit PDF.co for additional information. In this tutorial, we will be using a sample PDF document and adding text to it. Afterwards, we will upload the modified PDF file to a designated Google Drive folder. So let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account, and then click on the Create a Zap button to begin the process. Next, you will need to search for the Google Drive app within Zapier. It's worth noting that you can also use other cloud storage services to access the PDF document that you will be adding text. And choose the New File in Folder option as a trigger. Now, let's set up the trigger. First, select My Google Drive as the drive to use. Next, select the name of the specific folder where the file is stored. This will ensure that the trigger is set up correctly and the automation process can begin. Once you're done setting up, click the Test Trigger button to fetch the file from Google Drive. After successfully testing the trigger and fetching the file from your Google Drive, it's time to add another app and insert the text into a PDF document. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app to the automation process. And select PDF Filler as the event within the PDF.co app. This event allows you to add multiple texts or images to a PDF document. Then connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the PDF.co action. First, select the web content link from Google Drive. Next, provide the input text in a predefined format, including X and Y coordinates, page index, input text, font size, and font name. Then specify the output PDF file name. Now that we have set up PDF.co with the necessary input data, we can proceed to send the input request to PDF.co. After receiving the response from PDF.co, the output should include a URL that contains the processed output file. Copy this URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. The generated output file should look similar to the provided example. This confirms that the PDF filling process has been automated successfully and that the necessary information has been added to the PDF file. We are now ready to save the file to Google Drive. Let's select the Google Drive as the input app. And select the Upload file to automatically upload the generated PDF file to your preferred cloud storage. Let's set up the upload file configuration. First, select My Google Drive as the drive to use. Next, specify the name of the output Google Drive folder where you want to store the generated PDF file. And select the output file URL that was provided in PDF.co's response. Then choose either true or false to specify whether you want to convert the uploaded file to a Google Docs document. And provide a name for the output file. Finally, enter the desired file extension. This will complete the process of uploading the generated PDF file to your preferred cloud storage. Now that we have finished setting up the upload file event, we can proceed to test the action to ensure that the generated PDF file is uploaded to Google Drive as intended. The test was successful and the generated PDF file have been uploaded to your specified Google Drive output folder. Navigate to the Google Drive folder to confirm that the new output file has been saved successfully. We have a wide range of tutorials available on our PDF.co website that can help you with your automation needs. You may also visit on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss out on our new content. Thank you for watching.